volunteers here around you. I want you to take a moment to think about your family and your friends who are here with you as well. I want you to take a moment to think about the journey that has brought you to this point. A journey of more than 1,000 steps. A journey filled with doubts. Some people think that the finish line is success.
15th place.
I disagree. The fact that you are here
12th place.
right now,
5 minutes behind.
that is success. And that finish line that is waiting for you, that is your gift. The gift that you grant yourself here today as you swim, bike, and run. But before you embark on your journey, I'd like to remind you of one little thing, because I know that everybody here today has a why.
9th place. 3 minutes
That
from 7.
spark that lit the flame that got you off the couch, out the bed, out the door, those early mornings, those late evenings, those long weekends. When it gets tough out there today, please don't forget your why. Your why is the key that unlocks your greatness. Your why will make you an iron.
Peyton Merica is next.
Peyton, you are an Ironman. Great job.